Everybody, if you guys want to install the VS Code, just type the VS Code in the Google search bar and it would appear the Visual Studio Code, https visual code.visual studio. Just click on here, or you can direct click on the download, and now you would see this interface, this very beautiful interface. And now what you guys are gonna do, just download for Windows or any operating system you have. It would start downloading like this. Until this will get downloaded, I will tell you that how to actually install this. So guys, you can check here that the VS Code is now downloaded, and now it's for. So guys, you can check that VS Code user setup is now opened, installed, and now I would open it. Just by opening here, let's see what's next gonna happen here. So just it's a license agreement. If you can want to go through, then go through. I accept the agreement and clicking on the next. And then where I want to install it, then I would click at this next here. And then don't create a start menu folder if you don't want to make this, but I want to make this. Just I would click uncheck here and click on the next, and I would, yeah, create a desktop item for me, icon for me, and open with you had to click, or all radio buttons should be pressed, and then click on the next and then install, and it would like preparing to install, and the system setup would be installed after some time. Now you are checking that all the files are getting extracted with the VS Code, and after this my VS Code would be installed on my laptop, and I can use it for my coding and development purposes. You guys can check my YouTube channel, where I uploaded a lot of videos regarding VS Code, and now it's gonna install completely. I would say that it's nearly 99%, and yeah, it's installed actually. Then just I would finish it, and my VS Code would be opened, and you guys can check that my VS Code installation in my laptop is now completely installed. Now if you wanted how to set up this, etc., etc., all the videos on my YouTube channel are available regarding this. Thank you so much.